Hi folks, we've been busy researching guitar headphone amplifiers to help you figure out what you need to make your best audio and video content and stay on budget. Links to all the products in the review are in the description box below, where you'll find current pricing for your region wherever possible. The video has timestamps so that you can jump right to the headphone amplifier that interests you the most. Now before I move on, we'd love to hear what guitar headphone amplifier you're using right now and what you think of it. Let us know in the comments. Okay, let's get into it. Here are the top 5 best guitar headphone amplifiers. The 5th product on our list is the Blackstar Amplug 2 Fly Bass. The Blackstar Amplug 2 Fly Bass headphone amp is a great unit for beginners and professionals who want to sneak in more practice. It has a solid but lightweight construction with a body roughly the size of a candy bar. The foldable jack plug makes it compatible with any guitar model you might have. It also boasts an extended battery life with up to 17 hours of playtime. The Fly Bass uses 2 AAA batteries and turns itself off when not in use. You get 3 bass channels with this amp. There's the Classic, which is a valve-inspired tone with a mid-range growl. Next is Modern. This features a fat bottom end with a mid-scoop and an extended treble, making it perfect for your 5-string bass. Lastly, there's the Overdrive channel. This gives you a smooth and classic sound along with natural overdrive and bite. You'll love this when you're looking for that edgy quality in your tone. There are 6 onboard rhythm loops. You get a selection of rock, funk, R&B, hip-hop, blues, metronome and a tap tempo control. This is an excellent setting for beginners who want to explore their playing style. The Blackstar Amplug 2 Fly Bass headphone amp is an impressive bit of kit for the price. You'll love the audio quality and the durable construction of the unit. The 4th product on our list is the Valeton Rushead Max. Valeton's Rushead Max is an affordable headphone amp with reliable quality. You can power the unit with its USB port and get 5 hours of playing time on a full charge. It boasts 3 module voices, clean, overdrive and distorted. On the side of the amp you'll find 5 knobs that help tweak your sound. The gain knob lets you control the amount of drive in your signal. You can balance this out with the volume knob. With the modulation knob you get chorus, tremolo and flanger effects to add some spice to your sound. The ambient knob gives you access to reverb and delay effects. If that doesn't sound like something you'd want, you can keep them all the way down and you won't hear them at all. Lastly, there's the tone knob, which lets you control how much bass or treble is in your audio. The sound is fantastic with the Rushead Max. It has a rich and detailed quality that brings out your instrument's voice. The build quality is superb. The knobs are smooth to turn and feel solid. The buttons are also tactile and easy to navigate. Overall, if you need an affordable headphone amp with a lot to offer, Valeton's Rushead Max is a solid option. The 3rd product on our list is the Vox Amplug AC30. The Vox Amplug AC30 is a headphone amplifier that works great with electric and bass guitars. It has a compact body that fits comfortably in the palm of your hand. 2 AAA batteries power the unit. It can last anywhere from 9 to 24 hours depending on the type of battery you use. The controls are intuitive. You'll find the power switch on the side. There's an option to put it on standby or on. On the upper side you'll find 3 dials that you can use to adjust your tone, gain and volume. This gives you the option to use a clean or distorted tone. The AC30 has a 3.5mm auxiliary input where you can connect devices like iPods or MP3 players. This is a valuable feature for musicians who want to jam with a backing track. The headphone output has the 3.5mm jack, which you can also use to plug the unit into a speaker system. This Vox unit has a stylish tone that'll boost your practice sessions. If you're looking for a headphone amp that's great with any genre, then the Vox Amplug AC30 is the one for you. The 2nd product on our list is the Line 6 Pocket Pod. The Line 6 Pocket Pod is a compact device that doubles as a guitar headphone amp and a multi-effects unit. It has a portable body with knobs and buttons that feel solid. You won't have a hard time navigating the settings with the pod's LCD screen. You can power this amp using one of 2 ways, 4 AAA batteries or using a 9V DC adapter. You'll get plenty of playtime with this unit. If you're in the market for tonal variety, you'll love what this amp has to offer. It boasts 32 amp models and 16 cabinet models, and 16 effects that complement each other in a really nice way. There are also numerous presets that would work great with cover artists. This is an easy way to emulate the classic sounds of your favourite musicians. The effects are tweakable, which will give you some wiggle room to explore your voice. You can control these using the knobs on the front of the pod. If you want to customise the headphone amp more, you can download the ViseX editing software from Line 6. This unit also has a range of connection options, so you can connect it to amps, PA systems and more. The Line 6 Pocket Pod is a portable tool with various features that any musician would love to have on board. It offers plenty of bang for your buck and won't disappoint. The first product on our list is the Boss GT001. The Boss GT001 is a tabletop guitar headphone amplifier that gives you top-notch sound. It has a lightweight and compact design with an angled body to provide you with the best view of the controls. This unit is also an effects modeler that is loaded with all the latest Boss effects. This gives you a wealth of different tones to choose from. It also boasts a guitar to MIDI converter so you can use virtual instruments. It's a really neat feature to have if you're looking to hone your skills or create new musical blends. The GT001 has your back if you want to start recording. The 24-bit audio keeps your sound detailed. You can connect it using the USB or XLR input. Boss also includes patches that are specifically designed for vocals and acoustic guitar. You'll find 200 patches already installed on the unit, but you can customise the ones you want by downloading them from the Boss Tone Studio. You can connect your pedals or drum machines to the device. The knobs and other controls you'll find on this Boss headphone amp are easy to use. If you're looking for a guitar headphone amp with premium construction and fit to record with, the Boss GT001 is the ideal choice. And there you have it folks, the 5 guitar headphone amplifiers that got us excited this year. If this video helped you in any way, let us know by giving it a like, and if you're new here, hitting the subscribe button. If you would like to see some more reviews from our team here at Gear Music Tech, here are a couple that we think you'll enjoy. We look forward to seeing you back here on Gear Music Tech soon. Bye for now.